Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Glad that you guys are here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Wild price action at the open, pre-open yesterday. We gap above the previous day's close by 284 points. That's insane, pandas. We are living in a crazy world right now, but hey, pandas, I don't care. As long as there's volatility. Give me that volatility, baby. That's all I want. Good morning, pandas. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. Lee A, good morning. Day Trader. NY, good morning. Jamil, good morning. Rohan, good morning. Welcome back, guys. I appreciate your all your support. Pandas! We got our 90% off on Apex. Do you believe? Do you believe? Market's open. Let's see if we get a nice little push up.
500 tick trap.
Push down, push up, push down, push up. Can we get a nice $1,000 trade right off the bat? Easy peasy. So easy. I'm done, pandas. I'm going to turn off the computer, turn off the stream. Let's just enjoy the rest of our day. Goodness gracious. Just start off with a $1,000 trade right off the bat. Wow. I'll take it, though. I'll take that any day. What are we doing here? We got another second entry long forming here for us. Another second entry long off the 20 EMA. Off the 20 EMA. And our trend line. Ooh, okay. It's big risk here. That's the problem on this trade. I'll take it though. Another second entry long. Goodness gracious. Oh, give me that. Don't snap back on me. Okay. If you push back up, I'm gonna hold it. If we get a higher low here coming off our trend line, that's a actually excellent trade to stick it through.
2,500 tick trap.
Taking my risk off here if we do push up. I think this is looking pretty good, at least for a new high. At least for a new high. New high is not created. Not yet. I think we're gonna get our. I think we're gonna hit max here soon. I really think we're gonna hit max. But who knows? It could snap back down anytime, any moment.
Target filled.
I mean, we hit max. Easy peasy. Two second entry longs in a row. They both work out beautifully with a nice swing. We're what? 3-0 right now, and we made max today. I mean, we're done with our Apex accounts. We're done with our Apex accounts, pandas. I mean, we made what 1,500 in 2 minutes, and that's why I love volatility. That's why I love this volatility. I don't care if we're going up, down, left, or right. Just give me volatility. Pandas, we're done. I mean, we're absolutely finished. Let's just take a break, no? Should we just take a break, just kind of bask in the fact we made, what, $4,500 in 2 minutes? Can we just bask in that fact, pandas, and just hang out here for a little bit? Can I just relax a little bit? That is so crazy that just happened. I mean, we're done. We're done for the day. What can I say? We are done for the day. Hey, straight to TPT.
2,500.
Straight to TPT. We're like $500 away. $600 away from payouts on these 150K accounts, and we're like in a place where essentially we're within our 30% consistency rule. I mean, it's looking great. It's looking great for us. The 5 minutes looking wild. I'll just tell you that much. This is a huge gap on the 5 minute. We're coming to fill this gap, essentially, right? This gap got filled over here. Like, there's no more gaps to really fill on the... Wow. Did that fill? That filled perfectly. Yeah, we got like no more gaps to fill on the 5 minute chart. We're just rocketing up though. Who cares? Who cares about the gaps? Let's just rocket up. Let's make an outside bar on the weekly chart. That's what we're looking for. I mean, this is just going up, up, and away. Goodness gracious. There's just no stopping this. It's to a point where I don't even know if I should keep going long. It's kind of scary. It's kind of scary. All right. Our goal right now, should I be passing? Do we need to pass? Kind of want to pass. Let's pass. Let's try to pass some take profit accounts here. Yeah, let's try to pass some take profit accounts. Whew. Another second entry long, strong bull bar ending on its high 2500 tick chart, but no follow through. I don't know if it's exhaustive though. It's not really big enough. I'll try to take a reversal here. Maybe we can come back to the 20 MA, back to the bottom's trend line. Big push down, no entry for reversal yet. I mean, is it worth? Is it worth just going for it? Is it worth just going for it? It has to trigger has to break a previous candle's high first. Is it worth just going for this? Is it worth it? In this trade, can we make 12.5 points?
Target
Okay.
filled.
Looks like we passed more TPT accounts. I mean, we're looking good for TPT right now. Let's see. All right. I just take a quick trade on this one here. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Eh, it's annoying. It's okay. Let's see what we're doing here. All right, we're pretty much done with our Apex accounts. We can't make any more money than this. We can, but it'd be futile. It'd be futile. All right, let's do it. TPT, here we go. These are TPT Pro accounts. I made 3K yesterday, and as you can tell, the money's already out of my account, and it's gonna end up in my bank account probably later today. This snapped back up. It kind of broke this channel a little bit. It's snapping back up. I'm not sure what's going on here, but it's snapped back up. Kind of scary if you're a bear right there, in my opinion. How do I draw this trend line? Wow. I mean, there's no way I'm like just buying here, no? Does that make sense just to buy here? I guess on the 2500 tick, strong bull bar coming off the 20 MA. We just make a new high. We just made a new high. Goodness gracious. I feel like I just got to buy somewhere. Buy anywhere, everywhere type situation. Is that not the case? Isn't it always in long? Always in long here. High or low, just buy. Outside bar reversal, I wait. Charts are frozen. Okay, I gotta refresh because definitely something weird happened there. I'm refreshing because something weird happened. It like lagged. I'm refreshing here. The ATR just like exploded. Okay. Feels like I'm just short on a super strong uptrend. I'm gonna wait for my charts to reload before I take any trades here. Whoa! Wait, what just happened? I reloaded my charts and it just went crazy. What in the world was that? The 500 tick ATR is 40. It's actually crazy. We do have news. Let's see. We have news coming up. 9:45. Maybe we'll wait for news. Second entry long, but it is just wild right now. I'm just sitting on my paws. I don't trust anything here. I don't trust the risk is huge. I just don't trust anything here right now. It's a lot of overlapping bars. Let's just wait till things calm down. I'll tell you this, every time we come near the bottom of this channel, it just pops up like very strong. Like it's insanely strong pops up. Every time we get close to the bottom of this channel. Okay. Every time we get to the bottom of this channel, it pops up like crazy. I could maybe try to go long here, but I don't know. Whoa! I got in a trade. I was not ready for that. Am I out of this trade? Like
Target filled. 2,500 tick
that was
trap.
weird. Like it didn't fill me. It didn't fill me. It hit my target, but it didn't fill me. That was so strange. That was so strange. So strange. News in about 3 minutes here. Actually, a pretty good long trade here, in my opinion. But the price action was so wacky. Like I think I'm behind. Yeah.
Target filled.
Whoa! Like okay, like it's doing that thing where it's not accurate to where the price actually like right now we're way behind. Right now we are way behind. We are way behind. I gotta reload historical. Like we are way behind. This is not an accurate chart right now. This is not accurate right now. The true chart is probably the 5-minute chart. It's the only accurate chart right now. I mean, I made money on this trade. I guess I'll take it. That was wild. Yeah, BPCF. Yep, it's doing that thing. When I enter a trade, it's like it's not even close. Like I entered it like way down here. It didn't even make any sense. And I mean, I made money on the trade, but it's really scary to trade right now because I cannot see the correct price action. I probably have to wait till news drops until things clear up. But I think the price is way off right now. We're not actually accurate here on this price. The 5-minute probably a little more accurate. Like I feel like I take a sim trade. I'm gonna take a sim trade. Where are we here? Okay, sim is okay. Sim is okay. I think sim is okay. We got news. I mean, I could try with news and just see if we can make something amazing. But actually, I'm gonna just wait till news drops. Wait till news drops, and it's PMI. It has potential to really move markets, especially when there's not that much news in the week. Things like the PMI, unemployment can really move the markets if there's no other news. What news? Oh shoot, should I put a stop loss? You should always have a stop loss. This could launch here. I'm thinking this is about to launch. I mean, we are the 2500 tick chart is looking bullish. We're above the 20 EMA, and we are just we're about to fly, making higher lows here. 5-minute, kind of huge doji bar, but we are like trading in the upper side of the wick here. I mean, this could launch. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for news. And then I'll probably wait 1 minute after news. But this is wild. Like, whatever happened here was crazy. This might be one of those days you jump onto the micros. Okay, news drops. It didn't really do much. I mean, honestly, this move is probably huge, but I mean, that's a huge move. It's enough to pass any eval without spike up. But still, we didn't go anywhere. Even the spike up was enough to pass like any eval. We didn't go anywhere. OI pattern. Breaking down on the downside of the OI pattern. I'm going to wait till we get out of this like chop. Like we're too choppy right now. If anything, you sell up here. If anything, you sell up here so you can come back down here. I mean, that's what's happening right now. That's what price action was telling us to do. It's a limit order market. But news is done, and we're 1 minute after news. We'll probably can start trading here. OI pattern again. Got OI pattern here. OIO pattern. Goes to I pattern again. EIEIO, man. That's basically what's happening. We got okay. We got outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. That's crazy. OIO pattern. That's pretty rare, but that's what we're seeing. It's literally OIO. Okay, O, and now we finally broke the pattern here. Crazy price action. Sitting on my pause is crazy. This is crazy. I tell you what, there are gaps. When the Globex has gaps, they typically fill. And this is a very huge gap. I don't know if it'll fill today. Eventually it will fill, but it is. That's why I feel like eventually this will come back down. Like, but I don't know when. It's a huge gap on the Globex, and they just don't last very long. The longest gap I've seen on a Globex session lasts for is like 2 weeks. Yeah, I mean, I'm just sitting on my pause. This is really like all the volatility disappeared. All the volatility disappeared. We're just waiting. Look at this price action. This is not something you trade. Just stay away from this. Stay away from it, or you can be a little cheeky. Get a little cheeky with the market. If you can't beat them, join them. You know what I mean? If you can't beat them, join them. Second entry long. If you can't beat them, join them. If you can't beat them, join them. I mean, we're in a limit order market. It actually makes sense to sell up here. Eventually, you'll lose money, but until then, hopefully, you've made enough money where it's worth. I don't like anything here right now. It's very choppy, very confusing. Panda, how do you calculate your 30% on the PA for Apex? Is it off your first payout for the account? I just base it off the minimum. Panda, how do you calculate 30% on the PA for your Apex? Is it off your first payout for the account? Is it off your first payout for the account? Are you talking about for a second payout? You calculate the 30% based on your account profits, and one day can't be more than 30%. If you have a payout and you're getting a second payout, that 30% is calculated off the new account profits. So after you withdraw, then the 30% resets. But at that point, since you're already like hopefully above the threshold, you can make like $100 a day, and you can withdraw at the end of 8 days. You know what I mean? You don't have to make like big amounts of money to hit the target. Okay. I mean, I could be cheeky here. We could try to be cheeky. We do have a pretty defined channel here, and I could be a little bit cheeky here. See if I can, like very small risk here. Let's buy with a limit order off this channel just because it's such a strong. The price action is signaling we are so choppy that I believe we will have limit orders waiting at every support. Okay, so people buy limit orders off the 20 MA here. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. This is now they created a smaller channel here. Channel after channel after channel. Trying to make money here, but it's hard to find. Like, who's making money here? In what style of trading do you need to do in order to make money in this current price action? Right? The only way people are making money is limit order selling, limit order buying. This is the only people who are making money in this situation here. So if that's the case, we need to also join and do what they're doing. Okay, strong bull bar ending on its high. Are people coming with limit orders? Here's a question. Are we breaking out now? Did we make a new high of day? Yes, we did. New high of day. Still gets knocked down with limit orders. Right? No follow through. That means limit order trading. If there's no follow through after strong bull bar like this, that means people are waiting with limit orders at the top of that bar. It's the only way that can happen. Only way that price action can develop is if that's the case. Big push down. Like very strong push down. Very, 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 very strong push down. I don't know if I'm going to buy with a limit order here. It's quite scary just to jump in limit orders after huge bear bars. The 2500 tick chart literally just makes a huge bear bar back to the 20 MA. I mean, people are buying with limit orders off of this trend line. Don't get me wrong. And they just made a bunch of bamboo. Wow. Oh, it's getting crazy again. It's absolutely getting wild again. Oh, feels like entry long. I'm not ready for it, though. Jeez, this price action is wild. Again, just limit order galore. Stopping this from crashing. Okay, it's another push down, lower high. Eventually, this would fail. Wow. Wow. We're having a hard time breaking beneath this trend line. Okay, we're breaking down. This could be a strong push down soon. If you're trying to go short, you're looking for like just a strong bear bar, and then it's probably coming with follow through. Right, you need a strong bear bar closing like down here. And that's your signal to go short. Strong bear bar here, I may go short. If it's not a strong bear bar, forget it. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Right, this trend line is just holding up. Holding up very strong. Jeez, look at this super strong push down. Turns to complete consolidation, no follow through. The bulls are just too strong. Limit order bulls all along this channel here. Look at this channel. This has been going on for a while now. They just bought it all up on that channel. I was not ready for it. For me, I typically don't buy off supports. I buy off reactions off supports. So if it had a strong reaction off of it, I want a setup on the other side somewhere. Okay, that's a strong bear bar. Oh, strong bear bar here may cause a flush. A flush here. All right, we'll try here. I think this might cause a flush. I think traders were waiting for some reason to go short here. And after the strong bear bar, let's see if we get a little bit of follow through. Maybe not. Still maybe limit order galore here. Hopefully I get a small push down here. Okay, no follow through. Okay, now we got people are waiting for some signal bar here. Let's see if I can get a little more. There we go. Easy peasy. I think traders were waiting for this kind of bar to confirm like we're breaking down. And after this of basically this bull trap here and it reversed down, I think people were just waiting for a little confirmation. And that's what I was waiting for. And we're up 1,000 again. I can withdraw this money today. You know, that's the beauty of TBT, right? We're above the thresholds. We're above all of the safety nets, and we are just ready to withdraw. So yesterday on stream we made 3K, and guess where that 3K is? It's in my bank account already, even though we made the money yesterday. And that's the beauty of Take Profit. I really like Take Profit's payout system. It's a completely different feeling because now you know all the money you're making right now is like gonna end up in your bank account. So you can really experience the gains. Whereas like Apex, I made max and I'm like I can't pull this out until 5 more days of trading. Even though I made a lot of money on Apex, it's just like it's just a much slower pace. Here I can like literally get paid out today. Like I can stop trading, I can get paid out today. John Q, can I transfer PA profits from one prop firm to another? Yeah, I think so. You gotta go through like a Venmo. I can send you the Venmo. If you go through the Venmo, then they'll transfer the profits to another prop firm. The Venmo is at support@twoleggedpullback.com. Make sure you Venmo that, and then the profits will end up in the other funded account. I'm laundering sim money. I hope you don't get caught by the police. Pandas, I mean, we're making so much bamboo here. People who are not joining this stream just don't know the amount of money we're making. It's absolutely insane. And let's keep it that way, right, Pandas? Let's keep it our little secret. This channel is just making so much bamboo every single day. Step by step, trading live. Full emotions and reactions. Jeez. You get everything raw here. Fail second entry long forming here on the 2500 tick. It's an interesting one. I mean, obviously this uptrend needs to end eventually. The question is, when will it end? Okay, we're in this channel here, I believe, a 2500 tick chart. What's gold up to? Hello? Oh, gold is just plummeting. My goodness, gold. What are you doing? Second just short. Maybe coming off our trend line and 20 MA. Bad signal bar. It's a bad signal bar, but you got a lot going for you here to take that short. Got a lot going for you taking that short. Okay, fails. All right, that short fails. All right, it's a bad signal bar, which is the main reason why I want to skip it. All right, let's try. If this fails here, if this trap fails, let's try to go short. One more push down, perhaps. Right, failed trap, essentially. We're taking the failed trap trade. Creating the maybe triggering the trap on the 2500 tick chart is what I'm looking for here. Okay. Oh, it's acting wacky. It's certainly acting a little bit wacky there. Looks like I'm gonna get hit here. I tried to reverse a little too soon. It looks like I'm gonna get hit here. Looks like I'm gonna get hit here. 500. Whoa! I'm still in. I don't know. Wow. All right. Never mind. Whoa! There it is. Jeez, what is happening? Do we have news at 10 o'clock again? I didn't know there was news at 10. Whoa! Whoa. This is crazy. This is crazy. All right, let's let this calm down a little bit. What in the world was that? Wow, what is happening? Untradeable. These market conditions are like untradeable in my opinion. They're untradeable. Oh my goodness. These market conditions are untradeable. That's crazy. What is happening here? I'm scared that I'm not even accurate to the actual. Okay, we are still accurate here. Good. Okay, OI pattern breaks to the downside. Okay, doesn't matter. It's OI, OI, OII. Oh my goodness, I can't speak. OII pattern. OIIO pattern now. Confusion. Market's very confused. We had this huge spike basically, and we're like basically in the range of this huge spike right now. Okay, strong bear bar. Second just short. Ends up being a decent trade right there. Ends up being, I'm happy that my slippage wasn't like 50 points. It was 5 points. I'm glad my slippage wasn't crazy. It was bad, but could have been insane. We lost 600 there. It's all good. Almost relieved we only lost 600 there. Okay, might be pushing down now. The market might be trying to hit the bottom of this range created by the spike. When you get crazy volatility like that, usually the market's showing its limit orders, right? Its boundaries. Because if you think about it, it's like a flood of all these orders and like spikes down and up. It kind of like reveals quickly like the market's like what the market is trying to buy and sell. I think it does. I could be wrong, but it makes sense when the market moves that quick with that much volatility. It just seems like it kind of reveals its cards, right? Kind of like it shows you like where all the limit orders are, right? Limit orders galore here, limit orders galore here. And it shows you. Okay. Interesting. It looks kind of bullish right now. I don't know. Yeah. I would have lost that trade immediately. It's a trap here, but confusion. Still confusing. Still very difficult to trade in this environment, in my opinion. Still very difficult to trade in this environment. Gonna wait for more clarity. Okay. Okay, could be a strong push down now. Right, this trap fails, but it's a double trap within 1 bar. Okay. It's all good. I don't know. Strong bear bar. Still kind of like stuck, in my opinion. Like stuck in here. It's like stuck. Stuck like this. It's kind of stuck like this. The triangle. It looks like it wants to break down this triangle, in my opinion. Okay, pops, pierces it. Pierces it. Bounces right off the bottom of the triangle. And that's why you gotta wait for the candle to finish. Pierced it, didn't do much, just reversed right back up. This is very crazy price action. Honestly, I would just be careful here. And I would just be careful here because the price action is acting very, very unpredictable. Very unpredictable. Trading range, perhaps. Could be time for limit orders. Like I could just do something wild and just go limit order. Like this is like one of those days where you do like you enter where you put your stop loss. You know what I mean? Like the market's out to it's like stop loss hunting day. That's what it's trying to do, in my opinion. It's one of those days. But is there proof of that? I don't know. Imagine, right, you're trying to go long here. Your stop loss is 1 tick underneath this pivot. It takes you out perfectly and then pops up. Okay, second short. Top of the trading range, maybe back to the bottom trading range. This is wild. It's wild. It's actually wild. Very unpredictable. Very hard to trade this. Could just be simple limit order trading here. Second entry long could pop off. Could pop off. Looks bullish. Semi-bullish to me. Looks semi-bullish to me. Okay. Okay. Very confusing. Very confusing. It didn't pop off like I thought it would. It didn't pop off like I thought it would. Maybe a higher low is what people are waiting for. I'm not sure what they're waiting for here. But it did not pop off how I thought it would. Okay, maybe the higher low is what people are waiting for here. I don't know. Nope, 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 nope. Sitting on my pause here. This is technically limit order trading. With the limit orders, I don't think I want to risk 25 points here. I think I'm just max willing to risk 10 points. Limit order trades. Limit order right there. If I just sold it right there, what would happen? Jeez. Limit order trading. Right, if I just sold right here, I would have made bamboo. Yikes. Just buy down here at the bottom of that bar. Jeez. Very difficult to trade this. Coming back to the bottom of this small trading range. Like very small trading range here. Should I buy it? I mean, dare I do something cheeky here? Dare I do something cheeky here? No cheeks were cheeked. Okay, popping up.
2,500.
It's really confusing. Really confusing right now. Even if I end today plus 400, that's a win. Like green is green. It's not too bad. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take whatever the market can give me here. Market's in God mode and I'm getting spawn camped. Absolutely. This is definitely a spawn camp. Just taking everyone out right now. I don't know. This is wild. You're pretty much winning though if you're just selling with limit orders up here, buying with limit orders down here. The 5 minute is like so clearly choppy here. The 5 minute is just you just have the range of this one bar, and I think it's gonna take a long time to get out of this range. Trading range indicator also giving us trading OI pattern here. I mean, I could try, but honestly, it's like it kind of looks more like a trading, like a limit order market. It's just gonna snap back down. I'm not sure here. I'm not sure what I want to do here. OI pattern.
500
It's a
tick trap.
I pattern. Hmm. I don't know if it's one of those days I should really be trading this. Like I should not be looking for a breakout right now. Golly, what is going on? Wow, that's crazy. This price action it's crazy. I'll just tell you that it's crazy. All right, let's see if we can get in. It is breaking out. I don't know if I want this anymore. Canceling my order. It did one of those where it like went past my order and didn't fill me, and the order disappears, but it's actually there. It's invisible. Really weird that it does that, but it's very weird. I really don't like it. But for some reason, Take Profit does that. I just don't know why, but it's very like if you don't know that happens, just know that it's like it's some sort of defect. Like the moment it passes your stop limit order, it your order disappears and it's like nowhere to be found. It's just gone. Lucas says this range is nasty. Wow. Oh, I think we're at the price level where Trump announced 90-day pause. Interesting. Okay. The OI pattern kind of working out, pushing up a little bit, but still not confident enough to take that trade, in my opinion. I'm just not confident in anything right now. After this wackiness, that was crazy. Now I'm like kind of shook, but hopefully maybe no more of these like crazy volatility spikes. Look at these volatility spikes. Like I think this kind of shows like a market that's unraveling, you know? It's just like falling apart and like tearing at the seams. And this is like we're kind of like at the cusp of a black hole and you're seeing this crazy type of price action. That's what it feels like. That's what it seems like. It's like Interstellar when Matthew McConaughey is like going into the black hole. He's like This is just getting really weird. I mean, 400+ is a win today, especially how crazy this market is right now. Wow. I'm just worried something like this is gonna happen. But like I said, we're in this range, and like I feel like we're gonna be in it for a long time. I need to find myself a limit order somewhere. If I were a limit order, where would I be? Where would I be waiting if I was a limit order? Day trade says Treasury Secretary Bissent is on point right now. He's placing everyone on check. What does that mean? I'm sorry, I'm confused. I don't know what that means. Oh, he's talking. I see. It's kind of like being in a dream world in a nightmare on Elm Street. Oh man, I remember Freddy Krueger. Those movies were so scary. As like a kid, they were so scary. Like when I was younger, and maybe for the time it was just so scary. But nowadays, like, it's like so cheesy. But as a kid, like I don't have like I get nightmares every once in a while. But as a kid, you get nightmares like all the time. And watching something like Freddy Krueger or Nightmare on 13th Street or whatever, it is really scary. Big push down. Big push down. Are we going anywhere with this one, though? Are we going anywhere with this one, though? $240 SMA, kind of acting as a support here. Just watching. Still watching. Not entirely sure if I really want to take a directional trade here. I think for sure anything I do now, I'm going to scalp, though. Okay, pushing down to the bottom of the trading range. If I were a limit order, where would I be waiting? I think I'd be waiting right here. Oh boy, I'll be waiting right here. I'll be waiting around right here, right about now. You know what I mean? If I were a limit order, this is where I would be. But we are making a beeline here. It's a little bit scary. If I were a limit order, where would I be hiding? I think I'll be hiding right about here. People front running it, maybe. It might snap back up before it even gets down here. Ooh. If I was a limit order, where would I be hiding? I'd be hiding right about here. Is that close enough? Nah, I wait. I wait. I wait. If I were a limit order, this is exactly where I would be. If one were to limit order, where would they limit? And I think this is it right here. Oh, it almost fills me. It misses me by like a couple points. I'm like, what I'm thinking, it's gonna reverse before it gets here because people are front running it. People are front running like near the bottom of the range somewhere. Oh, but I'm waiting. I am a patient little panda, and I'm absolutely waiting here with my limit order. We are just waiting here. Hopefully I don't just die. I hope this trade doesn't kill me. We are waiting here with a limit order. Let's see. Can we limit back up here? We're at the bottom of this trading range. I think we're at the bottom of a trading range. Maybe not. Maybe we're breaking out now. I feel like if I were a limit order, this is where I would be at the bottom of this, like, this spike right here. But if it, like, snaps down, there's not much I can do about it. Let's see. I like a reversal up here if I can get one. If I were a limit order, where would I be hiding? This is where I would be hiding. I don't know where all the other bulls are. I need the other bulls to participate with me here. Hello, bulls. Where are you at? Maybe to the 20 EMA is what I'm looking for. Did I catch the bottom? Is it possible? Take my risk off and just see how high this can go. Did I catch the bottom here?
Target.
I mean, I'll take it to the 20 EMA. Goodness gracious, I'll take that. If I were a limit order, where would I be hiding? And exactly pretty much there. That's where I think a lot of people were hiding. I think that's where it was. It was like catching a falling knife. It's catching a falling knife, but you know where the floor is. Which is kind of nice. I guess you can call this expanding pattern here. Maybe I caught the bottom. I missed it. I was a little worried to hold it. I mean, I want to scalp whatever I made. I was going to scalp my products. I'm not sure. Like, it's so choppy. Can you not pretend to be Trump and predict what he will say next? I can't. I wish I can do a good Trump impersonation, but I can't. But I think they're so funny. I think like Shane Gillis is Trump impersonation. Like he does Trump better than Trump does Trump. It's so funny. His Trump impersonation is just, it's too good. Crude oil is down big. I don't trade crude oil, but see what gold's up to again. Quick look at gold. Big push down. 2 legs down, 3 legs down here on gold. Okay. This is what I thought might have happened, right? We come back to retrace here. I mean, I guess I'm still looking to go long. But this is a strong push down, but we're at a potential support here. Okay, second entry short. Looks good for a short trade. Could be a decent push down. Okay, just watching. Don't do anything fancy here. Just let it play out. I'm glad I took my profits here. Glad I protected my profits. Second entry short starting to reverse a little bit here. We're clearly underneath the 20 EMA, and the 20 EMA is clearly acting as resistance. I don't think I can go long until I know the 20 EMA is no longer acting as resistance. Like that means we got to close above clearly above the 20 EMA. It's hard for me to go long until then. Otherwise, we'll just hit our heads right on it. It's right here anyways. I need a strong push above the 20 EMA here and closing above it. Close strong above the 20 EMA. Could have a potential here, reversal. Okay, now we have moving average gap, which is nicer. Higher low for those who are very eager. I mean, if you're very, very eager, just buy right now. You saw a strong bull bar, pause bar, just buy it. That's what traders did right there. But not getting much follow through. Okay, now it's looking nice. Oh, eye pattern. What in the world? Oh, eye pattern. Higher low here. I'm out of my mind. I'm losing my mind right now. I don't know why I went that higher low.
Target filled.
I'm losing my mind. I don't know why. I got super eager. I don't know. I'm going to sit on my pause. That was a triple reversal in this one bar. I'm just sitting on my pause. This is too confusing. Hey man, is there an activation fee on Apex Trader funding? It's yes. It's $150. Whoa, big push up. And wow, big push back down. No entries. I guess I could have held that trade. I would have made some bamboo. It is what it is though. It got so wacky. I'm just sitting on my pause here. The activation is 150. Sorry. It should say in the thing. Let me move this. 130 PA fee. Is it 130? One second. Let me check. Let me double check. I don't want to be the bearer of false news here. Yeah, 130. It's 130. Do I like this uptrend right now? It's okay. Nothing to clamor about. We're not even near support here. I'm gonna wait here. I'm not gonna take this. I'm not gonna take, especially on a day like today where there's a bunch of limit orders waiting everywhere. This could be tricky. The crude oil. Panda patience, it's rare trade. Absolutely, we're just so patient right now. We're up 890. I'm happy about that. Real happy about that. Today's limit order market. Okay. I mean, it's popping off. No entries, but it's popping off. It is what it is. I'm thinking, you know, if I were to find a target, back to the top here. Back to the top. If I were to look for a target, I mean, the market showed us its cards with this huge volatility here, kind of showing us like this is where we're comfortable, you know, taking trades inside this huge volatility range. Austin Hare, I was waiting for you. Yep, we got our 90% off. Your prayers have been answered. Woo-hoo. This is just launching up to the top of this range. No entries. Like, it's breaking out to the top, though. It is what it is. I don't think I'm going to capture any of this here. It's all good. We'll watch it go. I know what markets like today are capable of, and they are really capable of anything. Like, you'll be shocked at what markets like this are capable of. We're up 890 right now. 890 is all good bamboo. Any bamboo's good bamboo here. Especially on a day like today. Got crazy. Okay. 20 EMA. But who knows? We could just be reversing here as well. We could simply be reversing here as well. Who knows what can happen here? Could have a second entry long, but days like today are just very unpredictable. Days like today are very unpredictable. We get a second entry long. I guess it would be tempting. It would be tempting. Okay. Okay. No first or no second entry, just a first entry makes a new high. Now it's getting very sus here, even more sus than ever. Don't forget, before this, we made max on Apex. We passed several TPT accounts, test accounts, and now we're green on this TPT account. I mean, it's just winning all around today. Absolute winning, and don't want to press my luck too much here. Okay, it's getting really choppy here now. Limit orders. I'm expecting limit orders here. But who knows? Expecting limit orders here. Again, but who knows? Okay. I mean, technically, I guess there are limit orders there, just not, but not enough market orders to push it down. Whoa! Snaps down. Crazy. This market is just crazy. It's like actually long, but lots of overlapping bars, lots of dojis, big wicks. Not on any support here. Bad signal bar. Just sitting on my pause here. Ends up pushing up. Oh, I pattern 2500 tick chart. Okay, fair enough. Again, if I were waiting with limit orders, where would I be waiting? I mean, dare I? Dare I cheek the market again like I did down here? Dare I? This time, I don't know if it'll last, though. This time, I don't know if it'll last. Just because we're already in an uptrend, if it breaks out, maybe worth trying for good risk reward, though. Maybe worth trying for good risk reward. If I were waiting with limit orders, where would I be waiting? Yashas, if you look at the 5-minute, the trading range really is based off of this volatility spike. Big, like this one bar kind of showed us the range for today. Are we going to stay in the range the whole day? I don't know about that. But look how choppy, look at how grindy it is now. The ATR earlier was at 40 on the 500 tick chart. Now it's 13. How have things changed in this short little time? How have things changed? Okay, we're at the top here. Should I just sell? People are selling with limit orders here, it seems like. I mean, right where this bar closes, people are selling with limit orders here. They sure are. I don't know. Whoa, okay, limit orders again, sold. Right when it touched this, right when it touched here, sold again immediately. Didn't go very far though. Huh. OI pattern. Second entry long. Okay. Retest. Again. We're breaking beyond it. Decent close above it. Might be breaking out this range and may not be able to contain us anymore. What do I have to lose, really, right? Okay. I guess I have a lot to lose. I can lose money. Ah. I need some sort of sign of reversal. This is just breaking out insanely strong. 2500 tick chart. We haven't broken a previous candle low in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bars. Usually around 10 bars, it kind of reverses a little bit. Right? 10 bars. So people start taking profits around 10 bars. But we'll see here. I don't know what's happening. This is crazy. We were making new like highs of the day. He's going to Mars at this point. We're gonna meet Elon there. All right, maybe some sign of reversal, but currently this is on breakout mode. Like you don't want to short in this crazy market. Not right now. Not in a super strong uptrend like this. But that's the issue, right? In trading ranges, you get super strong uptrends, end up just being bull legs in a trading range. Okay. Some signs of bears in this area. Some signs. Not enough, in my opinion, here. Finally break a previous candle's low on the 2500 tick. You're thinking probably one more leg up on that 2500 tick chart. That's what I'm thinking, but we are pushing back down. We're still above the 20 MA. Bouncing off the 20 MA. A lower high? Is that strong enough for me, pandas? I don't know. I don't know if a lower high is strong enough. If anything, maybe I should go long. Nah. We're still in the gravitational pull of this trading range. Huge trading range. Lower high? Feels like entry long is the best setup, but this lower high could be decent. Feels like entry long is your best setup here. Entered that prematurely. Maybe a blessing in disguise. Maybe a blessing in disguise. Whoa! Pop me back up. Please don't take me out. Ah, it would. It would. It would do that. It absolutely would do that. Goodness gracious. Try again. Now we got big risks to worry about. Now we got big old risks to worry about here. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. I thought it was a decent trade. Decent trade to try. Seeing this popped out and this bull bar should have maybe prevented me from trying this trap, but the signal bar was decent for the trap. I thought it was an okay trade to take. The risk was not too large. This could be popping off now, maybe making a new high now, but we got a fail second entry long at a good spot. So, and we're beneath also this trend line. I don't know. Should I keep trying to go short here again? Maybe one more try. One more try. If it doesn't work here, it doesn't work. You know, it is what it is. It is what it is. If it doesn't work here, it is what it is. I do not want to handle retracement. I'm just going to hold this. If it retraces, it is what it is. I'll just take I'll just take the hit. If it doesn't retrace, we are holding this. We'll have one runner. I'm gonna protect some profits right here at the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick. We have one runner. Could be nasty. I mean, potentially, it could potentially come back to where we should be going back, right? Potentially. Remember, this is all free, quote unquote, free money. I don't have a trailing threshold to worry about. I can hold this as much as I want. At this point, I'm just deciding how much money I want. At this point, I'm just trying to figure out how much money I want here. But I'm protecting some profits right there. So at the end, I'm making some bamboo. Second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. Could launch this up higher. Could. I'm hoping not, but high chance it can. Well, let's see. Let's just hold. We have nothing to lose. We have like $300 to lose. It's all good. You lose 300, we lose 300. It's part of the game. It is part of trading. Price I pay. Right, we got a huge push down. Virtually no follow through on the huge push down. Strong bull bar, ending on near its high on the 2500 tick chart. I'll just take the hit because it's a nice looking second entry long, right, on the 2500 tick chart. Nice second entry long coming off the 20 minute, nice signal bar as well. So if it does trigger, it might make a new high. And I'm gonna just take the hit here. No reason to risk, to risk more than this. If anything, maybe I should just go long. Jeez. Hey, but if it never triggers, I love that too. We hold though. We'll just hold it. Does pop up a little bit. Second just short forming here. I don't know about this one. It's a second just short. It looks like it wants to pop up. It looks like it wants to take my runner out. It's currently not though. I'll tell you that much. But we're still alive somehow. We're absolutely still alive right now. Second inch short does trigger with the outside bar reversal. Alright, this is the death. This is the death. Whoa, we are still alive. I do not get it. I mean, might as well hold, right? Might as well hold. Like, I have nothing to lose. Might as well hold. Like, what? Why not? Pandas can dream. Pandas can dream. It's so likely I'm getting stopped out though, right? It's like a 99.99999% chance I'm gonna get stopped out here. 99.99999% chance I'm gonna get stopped out. No, is that not the actual percentage right now to get stopped out here?
500 tick trap.
There it is. Sorry, 99.99999999999%. Oh my goodness. Okay. I hope it doesn't tick shot me. If this tick shots me, pandas. If this actually tick shots me here, pandas, that actually is going to tick shot me. No way. No way. No way you're tick shotting me here. Just because I'll be tilted for a long time. Just in case it does tick shot me here and just reverses, I'm going to be in a reversal here. I'm going to go short one more time just in case it does tick shot me here. I'm going to lose it. I'm going to absolutely lose it if it just tick shots me right there. And I miss like the move back down because of that tick shot. I hope it goes up higher. Like, there we go. Okay. I'm actually happy it went higher because if it just tick shotted me there in reverse, I don't know. I might lose my mind. I think that's it. We're up 935. I mean, still a win today. Still a win today. Still a very green day, actually. Still a very green day. And, we had such promise, right? Nice move down. We had a runner as well, but then it just couldn't handle it. Couldn't handle this pullback. I mean, it can still hit the bottom of this trading range because we're still within the trading range. So, you can still hit the bottom of it.
2500 tick trap.
Do I still want to go short here? Do I want to look for another short here? Lower high, I'll go one more short and we'll end the stream. Lower high, I'll go one more short here. I got one more short in me. We're thinking we're basically double topping off the top of this trading range. I got one more short in me. How low can you go? How low can you go? I mean, is this the one? Is this the one? Could this be the one? We really don't have much to lose here. I mean, come on. Can this be the one? Can we catch the most amazing swing trade of 2025? Can we catch it? Can we get back to the bottom of this range? Is it actually possible here? Oh boy. Oh boy. Fingers! Give me a lower high, and I'll go Super Saiyan here. Give me a lower high, I'm going Super Saiyan. Lower high Super Saiyan here. I hope it's one of those where we can't even get a lower high, because it just keeps going down, down, and down, and down. Give me a lower high here, I go Super Saiyan. Please, limit orders. Rush in here. Don't even let it break a previous candle's high. Yes! Let's just see, pandas. Let's just see. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Alright, give me that lower high. Give me that juicy lower high right now. Do not take me out. Please don't take me out. Give me that juicy lower high, and we go Super Saiyan. Just do not take me out like this. It has such promise. Such incredible potential. Give me that lower high. Break this pivot low, we're going Super Saiyan. Break this pivot low, we're going Super Saiyan. See, it's too early to celebrate. We gotta break this pivot low. Because then we can say we're in a downtrend, right? Lower highs, lower lows. If we don't break this low, then we are not in a downtrend yet, in my opinion. We're still OI pattern. Well, not an OI pattern, but man, that's rough right there. Can we break this pivot low one time? One time. Don't do me dirty like that. Do not do me dirty like that. Please don't do me dirty like that. Do not take me out here. That'll be such a shame. Really such a shame if it does. It's such promise here. Such potential. Second inch is short though. I mean, second inch is short potentially here. Such promise here. Second inch is short? Should I double up? Second inch is short here. Fingers! If this reverses here, we're taking the whole trade out. Just salvaging a little bit of bamboo here. Let's make that new low. Let's make that new low. Come on. Come to Papa. Make that new low. Pringles! We need that new low. We need that new low here. Ah, it's reversing. Don't do that to me, please. Don't do that to me, please. Regardless, I think I'm making the right move by moving my stop loss to this pivot high. Regardless of whatever happens here, I think this is the right move. This is where we're moving our pivot, right? We're going to protect some profits here. Fingers! I mean, should I just run two? Should I just run two all the way down? Oh, man, it's bouncing back up. It made a new low, but it is not going to do what I want it to do, I don't think. I don't think it's going to do what I want it to do. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, it's not going to do what I want it to do. This pivot is not going to last. Ah, darn it. We had a really good trade too. Really good looking trade. Made a new low. And I think that's all it's going to give us, unfortunately. I mean, if I hold my original stop loss, but is it worth risking that much? Hey, we're still alive. We're still alive. Don't give up too soon. Don't give up too soon, pandas. Super Saiyan! Ah! Oh boy. Lower high here. It's looking juicy. That lower high is looking really juicy. Are we going to have another 3K day today? I mean, I'll take it. If you want to give me another 3K day today, I'll take it. I guess this is our new pivot. We're working with these pivots. New pivots every time. Man, but every time it goes down, it just gets bought back up so quickly. I hate that. I hate that. It's just showing that there are a lot of bulls still waiting here. It's snapping back up. Man, that lower high looked really good too. I mean, we have the 20 EMA still giving us some protection here. 240 SMA is giving some support. Let's see if we can really push down here after this move down. I think this will be the kill shot. If we can break previous candle's low here with this, I think it'll be the kill shot here. With a kill shot for us. Can we get it? I think it's worth waiting. I think it's worth waiting here. Nothing to lose. Everything to gain. Pandas! Kill shot? Can we get the kill shot? We're going one more time here. Kill shot. Pandas! Let's get it. Kill shot is actually not very killy. It's not really killing anything right now. In fact, it's killing me. This kill shot is killing me. Give me a nice push down. Jeez, you know what? Maybe I can keep my original stop loss on my one contract here. And the rest will just like, this is all extra here. Yeah. This is all extra here. It's very choppy as it goes down though. All right. We made some bamboo. This one I'm going to just hold for the entire way down. And it's like my original trade. All this stuff, I basically made bamboo on this trade, broke even on this trade. So because I was like leveraged so high, it was making me like not be able to hold this trade. But I want to be able to hold this one. Right? I want to see if we can get back down to the bottom of this trading range. But I'm too leveraged. I'm too leveraged. I don't want to be so leveraged where I'm too scared to hold. So with one contract, I'm more than happy to try here with one contract. I'm risking about $900, leaving it on the table, but I'm gaining potentially double that. Hopefully worth it. Get snapped back up. Snaps back up. Having a hard time really pushing down, but we are making a spiking channel here currently. Whoo-wee. Trading range. Hopefully this trading range will just go straight back to the bottom trading range. That's what I'm hoping for right now. I need like a really strong push down here. It's consolidating a lot right now. But I need a really strong, convicting push down. Top left of your screen, you can see like, how much money we're making today on these accounts. Like because I was in so many contracts, I was just too scared, right? I was too leveraged at that point. I was too leveraged. Too much exposure. I could have held it though. I could have just worked with my pivots still. Keep working with my pivots, I'll be fine. But it's getting so choppy, I just didn't like the look of it. I didn't like the look and feel of it. I could technically just keep moving my stop loss down here, right, and trail this. Trail this all the way down, see how far we can go down. All right, it's about time I actually need to go. So we'll just trail here and see if we'll just keep trailing down and until we break a previous pivot high, then we will get out. And I only will trail it down once we break a previous pivot low. I cannot trail it down until we break this low, right? Then that means that we are making lower highs, ooh, pandas. Pandas? I'm gonna just take it here.
Target filled.
I'll take it. Oh, I could have held. Pandas, if I had all my contracts. If I had all my contracts, that would have been a delicious trade. It's all good, though. I'll take it there. Pandas! And that's how you make $3,225 on TPT that you can withdraw today and end up in your bank account tomorrow. And then you can take out the missus for a nice little dinner treat. Goodness gracious, pandas. Again, making a 3K day. I mean, doesn't this not make up for the terrible price action last week? Does this not make up for the terrible price action we had last week? Goodness gracious. Man, now I'm regretting not holding all those contracts. It's all good. Pandas, I think that's it. I do gotta go. I got some places to be. Pandas! Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you use code BBM. 90% off Apex. It ends tomorrow, so take advantage of it while it lasts. 30% off TPT still. And wow, this price, this is crazy. This is absolutely insane. Good luck though, pandas. For anyone trading this right now, good luck. Trade safe. Remember, the most important thing is to have actually good risk reward. That is the most important thing. And I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Same time tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. And I hope to see you guys there. With all that being said, pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.